Experiencing no service after a Verizon SIM swap can be frustrating. It usually means your new SIM card hasn't been properly activated or there's a temporary glitch in Verizon's system. While Verizon has made significant improvements since 2023 to 2024, these issues can still occur due to outdated account information, regional network problems, or fraud prevention measures. The main reasons include improper SIM activation, where the new card isn't fully registered, system glitches in Verizon's network during high traffic, and outdated account information that causes verification failures. To resolve this, ensure your SIM swap is properly activated through Verizon systems. The My Verizon app now offers instant verification to minimize these issues. This video will help you understand why this happens and how to resolve it. A SIM swap transfers your phone number from one physical SIM card to another. This is commonly done for device upgrades, account security, or fraud recovery. To perform a SIM swap on Verizon's network, your identity must be verified using personal details such as your account PIN or the last four digits of your social security number. Since late 2024, Verizon has added extra security steps, including one-time passwords sent to your email or other linked devices, creating a multi-layered authentication process. This multi-layered authentication aims to prevent fraud, but can sometimes cause delays or errors in activation, leading to the no service message on your device. Following widespread service outages in 2023-2024, Verizon implemented robust security upgrades to address the issues caused by unauthorized SIM swaps. The outages were primarily caused by aggressive fraud prevention measures that inadvertently locked out legitimate customers during SIM swap processes. One key improvement is biometric verification through the My Verizon app, which includes facial recognition to confirm your identity before allowing SIM swaps. Verizon also introduced real-time account activity monitoring, which scans for suspicious behavior during the swap process. These improvements have significantly reduced unauthorized SIM swaps, with a 78% decrease year over year, as reported in Verizon's Q4 2025 earnings. However, if the system detects something unusual, such as a sudden location change, it may temporarily suspend your service for additional verification to prevent fraud. If you encounter no service after a SIM swap, start by restarting your phone to clear any temporary issues. Next, double-check that your SIM card is correctly inserted. Refer to your phone's manual for the proper way to remove and reinsert the SIM card. Then, use the My Verizon app to check your account status and activation progress. This will show if the SIM swap was completed successfully. If the problem continues, contact Verizon support immediately through the app or by phone. The FCC now requires carriers to provide 24/7 support for SIM swap issues with faster resolution times under 48 hours. The future of mobile security is moving away from traditional SIM cards. Verizon is piloting SIM-less eSIM transfer systems, aiming for nationwide rollout by Q3 2026. eSIMs are more secure and harder to swap fraudulently. eSIM installation involves digital activation without physical cards. Also, Verizon is integrating passkeys, passwordless authentication, for account access. This reduces reliance on phone numbers and further minimizes the risk of SIM swap scams. The 2023 Verizon outage wave affected over 10,000 customers with no service issues after SIM swaps, prompting major improvements to Verizon's systems. High-profile fraud cases, such as the SIM swap incident involving rapper Drake, led Verizon to implement stricter security protocols nationwide. The successful 2025 biometric SIM swap pilot in Texas with zero no-service errors shows how advanced technology can effectively mitigate risks. These real-world examples highlight the critical need for robust security measures and faster dispute resolution channels to protect customers. Cybersecurity experts emphasize the vulnerabilities in telecom infrastructure due to over-reliance on phone numbers for identity. Experts warn of vulnerabilities from over-reliance on phone numbers for identity. Verizon is leveraging AI to detect and prevent fraud, but user education remains crucial. By 2028, analysts predict that 90% of carriers will adopt biometric verification, drastically reducing SIM swap incidents. The future leans toward hybrid security models, balancing user convenience with strong fraud resistance, with advancements like AI verification tools leading the way.